Hi, it's Andrea with another fall eye tutorial for you today. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create this beautiful autumn leaves fall look. Isn't that pretty? Does that not scream everything fall? And I've done one eye already, and can't you just see the different fall colors popping off of there? So let's walk through how to do this. I've done all my other makeup and my brows and one eye, so I'm going to walk you through how to do this right eye. First, I'm going to start with Mary Kay's liquid eyeshadow in Light Beam. You know, this is one of my favorite go-to products to begin any eye look with because it's such a pretty just base color and it has that primer built in, which we love because then that's going to make our powder eyeshadows crease proof and waterproof and give them extra color pop power. Okay, so once we've done a base with that, then I'm going to grab a contour brush, which is kind of a dense curved brush here, and I'm going to grab some of this. Well, let me go through the colors with you first. It's Merlot. And then we have Rustic, which is this really pretty, just brownish shimmer color. Then we have Moss, and then, oh y'all, my brain, Gold Status, okay? So these colors. So we're gonna grab Merlot first, which is just kind of a deep plum purple. And we're gonna just kind of pat this with this brush. Just kind of deposit this color right here on this outer part of our eye. And remember, don't panic. It's not going to look like that. We take our nice fluffy blending brush and we just work in circles, just blending that in so that we have a really pretty deep plum maroon outer corner going there. Okay, y'all know the deal. My nose has to itch as soon as I go on camera, so I'm going to intensify that just a little bit there. And remember, the beauty of working with eyeshadows is that everything's in the blending. You don't have to be scared of color. It's not tattoo work. You can always blend it out and you can always take it off with oil-free eye makeup remover. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is grab a clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to pick up some of this Rustic, which is just this pretty brown. Lulu's dreaming. And I'm just going to kind of pat it over what we just did, just for a nice layering effect. Just kind of tones that plum down and just kind of layers, not really tones it down, but just adds a different dramatic element to it with kind of that really pretty shimmer brown. And then we're just going to blend that out. Okay. Then we're going to take this Moss, which is this real pretty fun light green color, and we're just going to kind of do it right along the lash line there, just kind of in that middle portion of our eye, just for a little pop of green, okay? And then we're gonna blend it. And then we're gonna take this Gold Status, which is this really pretty shimmery gold, and we're just gonna do the inner corner of our eye, the tear duct, kind of bring it out over that green a little bit, and then even pop up just a little bit up there under the brow bone. And then we're going to clean our brush, and we're going to come back and just blend everything really well. Remember, that's the key to everything. It's just a really pretty blend. I think they look pretty even, don't you? Then I'm going to grab some deep brown waterproof eyeliner and just gently, not pulling, but just kind of stabilize the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just doing little dashes back and forth as close to my lash line as possible, just to make my eyelashes look a little thicker. I've already used my eyelash curler to curl my lashes. So now I'm gonna come in with the Lash Fanorama mascara, which has this fabulous little brush. Y'all know this is one of my favorites because the different size bristles and the hourglass shape really allow you to get in there and coat every single lash, especially up in the corners and on the outer edges. And then don't forget to come back and do the top side of your lashes. So we're going to do that one coat and leave that there. And then I'm going to show you what I did on my lips while that's drying. I did liner in light nude, and then I did my favorite semi-shine lipstick in Rosewood. And I showed y'all this the other day. It's just that really, oh, what a mess. Y'all know I told you I put the lid on it and mashed it down and broke it, but I just can't bear to throw it away. It's still usable. It just looks really yonky. Can't believe I'm showing y'all this on a makeup tutorial, but this is just a really pretty rosy neutral, and then I put some soft nude, Mary Kay soft nude lip gloss over it, just for some shine and shimmer. And now we're going to come back and do one more coat of mascara, really pop those lashes, and then underneath, oh, I forgot to do one thing underneath. Sorry. Let's see if it's redeemable before these lashes dry. I like to come back with a smudger brush and pick up this green moss and just very gently run it underneath. Yeah, I can do this. Underneath the lash line. That's the color I use the least of on top. It's a pretty little subtle green, and by lining underneath your eyelashes, just running a little bit of the color under there, it's just going to tie our top lid and our bottom lid together. Isn't that a pretty look? It's called Fall Leaves. Again, Merlot, Rustic, Moss, and Gold Status are the colors that I used. And you know, you could soften this by applying the color a little more light-handed. You could intensify it by amping up the colors a little more, but I just think it's so pretty how the different hues blend together and just seamlessly make an overall really pretty look. So let me know in the comments, would you try this color? Is this something you would wear? I'll post the colors below, and if you have any questions or comments, be sure to let me know. And happy first day in November, and shake things up a little bit. Now that the weather's turning cool, the leaves have been absolutely exquisite this year. I cannot get enough of the beautiful fall leaves, and this is just a fun way to play in color a little bit as you're wearing some of the new fall colors to match the season. Stretch outside your comfort zone a little bit and try something new. Okay, y'all, have a great day.